ahead and say we're through. I don't care, I'll just get another you. Or get another dude that look like you.
I don't need you, and you don't need me. Give me back my house key.
You can leave it with my new boyfriend. You can leave it on the back porch. I don't care when you leave a message. You used to never get the message.
Yeah, I'm talking shit. Yeah, I'm talking shit.
Go ahead and say what